we really want to see Bitcoin grow and become like a global settlement currency, not just a token people speculate with or that they use for payments or to store wealth with. We'd also like to see it be able to interact with capital markets and for users to be able to trade peer-to-peer between different assets. If you look at the other chains, I think the reason why Ethereum has been able to grow is because they have a multi-asset chain, which they can issue many assets, where it's like a permissionless issuance. So with Bitcoin, since it's a one-asset chain, I think it needs side chains to grow and to develop those capital markets. I think Liquid's done a very good job in that regard. I think one important aspect to remember that most people don't think about is that the entire financial system as it's built right now is basically one of ledgers. Every financial institution, what do they do at their core? They maintain a ledger. That's it. That's all they do. They have a ledger where they are the, shall we say, the account operators of the ledger, and the ledger isn't able to interact with any other ledger, really. So that's why you need all these clearing houses and exchanges between all these ledgers. With Bitcoin, we have and sidechains, we have the opportunity to build a system where you actually have ledgers where the user is in control of the asset as opposed to the institution, where you can have swaps directly peer-to-peer between users. That's the type of vision that we see and that we're building towards. And I mean, the whole premise of Bitcoin is that the user should be able to hold their own keys. I mean, let's build a system that also supports the issuance of assets as well as the trading of assets for those people who prefer that way.